1. Click Join Now. 2. Answer very simple questions. 3. Earn money. That is it. You will make hundreds to thousands of dollars on this platform when you tick on the answers to the options for simple questions on this platform. The questions are all about the things you do and things around you daily. The answers you will give are your opinions, and are not required to be wrong or right. So you don't need to entertain any fear of failure. There is no fail or pass mark in these questions. All that is required is for you to complete the questions to earn the money earmarked for the questions. Before I show you more on what you will need to do to earn money from this platform, I welcome you to this channel, Ready Money. This is where you will learn how to make money online the easy and legitimate way. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to get to see more money making videos from this channel. This money making system is available all over the world, and it is free for you to join. As the traditional way of making money is becoming harder, the online method of making money is becoming easier. This system does not require you to go anywhere. You will just be lying on your bed or sitting on your couch and click on buttons on your phone. As you click on the options you earn points, and as your points accumulates you earn money. Very simple system that pays you PayPal money. The website I will like you to visit is Triaba.com. Triaba.com is a survey website with a difference. Here at Triaba, you will get to earn up to $5 for one survey. How cool is that? One survey is $5, 2 surveys is $10. You will be able to earn hundreds of dollars from multiple surveys in one day from this website, because they have unending streams of surveys for you to attempt. The excellent thing about this website is that they accept applications from all over the world. On Triaba.com, you don't need to have a laptop or any computer. You can just use your phone to answer all the questions and earn money. You will earn 50 cents to $5.50 for each survey, and get to cash out your earnings with PayPal when it accumulates to $12 in your account or $10 for a virtual Visa debit card, Amazon voucher, or a G-code gift card. Wow, this means you have many options for receiving payment on this website. Very cool, I tell you. As I said earlier, Triaba.com is available in all over the world, and you can access it in different languages. For example, if you are from, say, Italy, you can just select Italy here, and the website will change to Italian for you to attempt in Italian. Yes, you can see here, everything here is written in Italian, and anyone that understands Italian will be able to take the surveys here and earn money. The same applies to other languages, Spanish, Portuguese, French, Arabic, and many more, all on this website. So exciting, taking surveys in your own language other than English. Please give it a try now in your preferred language, and you will be amazed. If you are getting value from this video, please hit the like button to encourage us produce more videos. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please subscribe now, and turn on the notification bell. It will mean a lot to us. Now, let's get making money right away. First, I will come up to this place and click on Join Now. Then, I will need to scroll down to see the sign up form here. Now, click on Sign Up, and this part of the form will open for me to fill. First, I will select my gender. Then, I will input my email address here. Next, I will input my password here, and select my date of birth. Then, I will click on Privacy Notice and the terms and conditions here. Then finally click Register. Yes, I am registered already, and this is the welcome note. However, as you can see here, it says, to complete registration, please check your email or spam folder and follow the instructions to activate your account. Your account is not yet activated. Now, I will visit my email inbox for the activation link. And yes, this is the activation email from Triaba. In order to confirm my membership and email address, I will click on the activation link here. And yes, my account is activated. I will head here to check on all the privacy settings here, and then click on Update. And here is my profile, with all the surveys that I am eligible to participate right now to earn money from the website. These are all the surveys. Different types of survey questions like household, occupation, electronics, healthcare, auto, hobbies and interests, computer and video gaming, travel, smoking and tobacco, research, mother and baby, education, food and beverage, media and region. I don't have any dollar in my account at the moment, so I need to take up a survey right now to earn money. You know you don't need to use the browser for this survey when you are using your phone. You can just download the app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store and participate. Wow! Check out their rating of 4.0 stars here on Google Play, and also check out their rating of 4.6 stars on Apple App Store here. Go ahead, take the surveys and make money. Ciao.